Hello, my name is James Baltasar. I live in Norito, Putumayo. I am study artes visuales in UNAP. And my hobbies are drawing, painting, and swimming. In my daily life, I do this six activity. I prepare 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 my breakfast. I feed the animals. I work in in the fields. I study. I swimming in the river. I watch TV night. My family. Do I do this activity uh, every years with participation in community mirror mirror and rituals.